So inside the Amazon Influencer Program, they just announced that you can now integrate Canva with your Amazon storefront. That way you can edit any kind of designs or thumbnails or covers inside of Canva, whether it be on your phone or on your desktop, and upload directly onto your storefront. Thus, that way you don't have to download on your computer or your phone, and you can just upload onto your storefront a lot easier. So this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate and actually connect those two together, show you how easy this is. All right. So first thing, you clearly need a Canva account. Go ahead and sign up for one. There's a free version. Once you're in here, you first need to connect Canva with your storefront. So to do that, you're going to go into apps and search for Amazon creators. You're going to see it right here. You can go ahead and click it, and you can either say use in an existing design or use in a new design. I'm going to do a new design. And then it's going to ask for what kind of posts. So what I recommend doing is figuring out what kind of actual post you want to create. Is this going to be for like a landscape? Is it going to be vertical? Is it going to be horizontal? I'm going to act as if this will be like a YouTube video thumbnail cover, whatever. Or if you want to do a phone cover, I would just type in phone. That way it's already positioned out perfectly. And I recommend either clicking phone wallpaper or phone background space, because you're going to get a lot more templates and ideas to use. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copies. As far as creating, whatever kind of cover you want. So now ask me, do I want to connect with your storefront? I'm going to say yes, connect, and allow. Now we just need to design whatever kind of cover we want. So to make it easier, I recommend clicking into design, and they're going to give you so many templates that you can choose from. Let's say that I want to upload a template from a review that I just did of this air compressor thing. Okay. What I like to do is, let's say I want to use something from my video. I like to film a lot of my videos with Loom on my desktop. I'm going to take a screenshot of my face, drag it onto here. And if you want to show your face, you can. I'm just going to show you a couple of tips. So if you want to, you could show your face, you could do edit. Let's say if you want to do like a glow or like an outline, whatever the case may be. Or if you don't want to show your face, you just want to show the product, come into the product page, click on the image, and then on the Mac, it's Command C4 to take a screenshot. I like to just take a nice big screenshot of the product itself, come back in here, drag it on. And if I want to remove my face, that's fine. Remove this background, and then any kind of text. So I can click text here just to make it easy. And let's go ahead and you can do glow. Just to make it simple, full review or best air compressor. Let's go ahead and do all caps, make it a little bit bigger. And I personally like to really highlight the text. So I'm going to go ahead, make it a little bit more bright with the color. And last, I can add an element, an arrow, just as a nice, like pointing to, like leading the customer where to look at, what to look at. Let's say if that arrow is too big, go back to see all, or actually, yeah, this is fine. Let's go ahead and position it, flip it around, nice and bright. That's it. It doesn't look great. Anything is better than nothing. So I'm gonna go on the left side, Amazon Creator, export design, export. And then the only thing left is to either post on Amazon or save as draft. Let's post, continue. And then we just need to tag the product. So I'm gonna go into that product once again. And I like to tag it with the ASIN personally. So I'm going to go ahead, use Review Pro, click the ASIN, come back into where I'm at, tag the product. Boom. Check out the best air compressor. Save and submit. Okay. Wait a couple minutes and it'll be on our storefront. I posted a different one here that you can see. And this was with a horizontal video cover instead, different image. But that's how it's done. Really, really simple. Hope that makes sense. Always go back into your storefront, And there it is right there. Hope that makes sense. If so, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.